Today for school lunch, I'm sending my annoying daughter a corn dog. I'm also sending her some diced up vegetables to keep her nice and healthy and some mac and cheese. I'm going to send her a pickle because she always smells like pickle and of course the 7-Up soda. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Follow for more.